Hi guys, today we will learn operators. So operators are basically tools that help Python do calculations, comparisons, or checks. Like a calculator has buttons, plus, minus, multiply. Python also has its own buttons, called operators. Like plus, minus, greater than, less than and many more. So we have arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operators, identity operators, membership operators. So guys, let's start with arithmetic operators first. So, arithmetic operators are used for math. You know math, just simple add, multiply, divide and assign. I will not explain you all, but I will tell you some special arithmetic operators. Like divide, floor divide, reminder and power. So divide always returns a float, like 9 divided by 2 is exactly 4.5, and 4.5 is a float. So next floor divide gives result rounded down to integer, like 9 floor divided by 2 is exactly 4.5, and 4.5 is rounded down to integer 4, so 9 floor divided by 2 equals 4. Next, reminder, you know what is left over after the division, like 10 remainder 3 equals 1, which is left after division. Last, power, just remember, this operator raises the number, on the left, to the power of the number, on the right. Like 2 power 3 means 2 multiply with 2, 3 times and answer is 8. So simply, these were some arithmetic operators. So next one is comparison operators. These operators just compare values, and always give true or false result. Comparison operators we have greater than, less than equals and many more. Also see this example, like 5 greater than 8, which is false, so this is a comparison operator. So next one is logical operators. These operators used with true false, like true and false, true or false, not false, and results are also true false. So these operators, and, or, not are logical operators. So next, assignment operators. These operators used to update values. See this code carefully guys, this means simply assign, but this x plus equals 2 means x equals x plus 2, same as below, so simply these are assignment operators. Next, identity operators. These operators checks if two variables are same object. See this code carefully guys, both a and b are 1, 2, so if I use equals sign, this checks values, and if I use is sign, so it checks memory address, so this is all about identity operator. Last, membership operators. These operators checks inside lists or strings. See this code carefully my dears. A, in, apple, is true and 5, in, 1, 2, 3, is false, so this is a membership operator. So guys, we have successfully completed operators, so get ready for its challenges on Instagram and TikTok. Also subscribe this channel for the practice programs.